Okay, you can do it.
When you're done with the camera, can me?
Yeah, come in. Ready? Go ahead. Woo!
Mommy!
Yes.
When can I go?
Right now. I'm saying don't splash near me. I don't want the camera to get wet, because if I drop it in the water, it'll be broken.
Get off and put the camera back, then you can see how
Well, I can see you from here. I'm just saying don't jump to me. Jump over there.
Rosie, how will you come over here?
Just right where you are, come and jump, and that's far enough away. That's okay.
I can't see anything.
You can't see anything? What are you looking for?
I'm looking fish.
You're looking for fish?
Yeah.
And you don't see any?
No.
I don't think there's any fish in this ocean.
Yeah, I see one.
You do? I see pine straw. Alright, ready? You're gonna jump? Alright, on your marks.
That's right.
Get set. And go. Woo! Good job. Yeah, I know. Water on the water. How perfect. There is the ocean. Right from our pool.
I can't see you. Watch this. Look. No floating.
Gray, what are you doing?
I'm kicking.
You are kicking.
Backwards.
You're kicking backwards. Good job. You're big.
Can I give it